We are counting down the 15 airport and flight tricks that make traveling in 2026 dramatically easier. From tech tweaks that cut your wait time in half to small habits that save you money and stress, each tip is tailored for today's fast-changing airports and busy flights. Expect practical shortcuts, smart scheduling hacks, and game-changing digital tools, some of which will surprise even seasoned travelers. But which travel trick claims the top spot for hassle-free flying? Let's kick things off with number 15. Number 15 introduces the Tech for Everyone app demo. It is a quick walkthrough that sets the foundation for smooth 2026 travel. On a split screen, step through downloading your airline app, your airport app, and a flight tracking app on both iPhone and Android while connected to home Wi-Fi. Enable push notifications so gate changes and delay alerts reach you instantly, no matter where you are in the terminal. Add your frequent flyer number and your payment card right away. This small step means you can rebook or buy add-ons in seconds if plans shift. With 85% of travelers now relying on these apps on travel day, this simple prep puts you ahead before you even pack a bag. Number 14 introduces a 5-step airport habit ritual that transforms travel day from chaos to calm. Start by checking your airline and airport apps for updates and make sure your documents are ready. Next, pack the same essentials in your airport pouch every time: passport, boarding pass or phone, charger, earbuds, pen, and a small toiletry kit. Confirm your seat and your hydration plan before leaving home. Run through this checklist on every trip, whether it is a short hop or a long-haul journey. Studies show that consistent routines lower stress and help travelers react faster when plans change. By stacking these habits, each step becomes automatic, freeing your mind for the moments that matter and making airport lines, security checks, and sudden delays feel less overwhelming. Over time, this ritual turns unpredictable travel into a series of predictable, manageable actions. Number 13 focuses on a strategy that keeps both your wallet and your travel schedule intact. Avoid airport food traps. Airport meals often come with steep markups. They can cost twice as much as similar food outside the terminal. Bringing your own snacks like granola bars, trail mix, or crackers means you are not forced into overpriced or unhealthy options during delays. In 2026, most airports now offer food ordering apps that let you skip lines and pick up meals on your schedule, but even these convenience fees add up. Refilling a reusable water bottle after security is a simple way to dodge expensive drinks and stay hydrated. By planning ahead, you spend less time in food queues and more time relaxing before your flight. This approach not only saves money, but also puts you in control, making airport waits and layovers a lot less stressful. Number 12 introduces the quiet hour flight timing strategy. It is a simple scheduling move that often pays off in reliability. Early morning departures, especially those between 5 and 7 a.m., are 20% less likely to be delayed than flights later in the day. This advantage comes from avoiding the chain reaction of knock-on delays that build up as airports get busier. Very late flights can sometimes be emptier, but they also run a higher risk of last-minute schedule changes or cancellations as airlines try to catch up. Choosing a quiet hour flight means a calmer boarding process, fewer crowds at security, and a better shot at an on-time arrival. For travelers who value predictability, this timing hack can set the tone for the entire trip, making every step, from seat selection to layover comfort, just a little smoother. Number 11 puts seat selection strategy in the spotlight. It is a move that can make or break your comfort on a long travel day. Instead of leaving your spot to chance, open the seat map in your airline app or use a tool like Seat Guru to see the real story behind every row. These maps show which seats have limited recline, misaligned windows, or trays that dig into your knees. If you want to move around, choose an aisle seat for easy access. If sleep is the goal, pick a window seat for fewer interruptions. Exit rows offer extra legroom, but check the fine print. Some exit rows have fixed armrests or limited recline. The front of the cabin tends to be quieter and lets you board and exit faster. The back is closer to restrooms and usually boards first. Match your priorities to the right seat, and you upgrade your journey before you even arrive at the airport. Number 10 introduces a digital safeguard every traveler should add to their routine, protecting devices and data on the move. Public airport Wi-Fi in 2026 is still a hotspot for hackers, with open networks exposing emails, passwords, and even payment details to anyone with basic software. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, adds a shield by encrypting your connection so your information is not left out in the open. Set up the VPN at home before you ever connect at the airport. This keeps your connection private. For entertainment, download movies, playlists, and your boarding pass to your phone or tablet while on reliable Wi-Fi. That way you are not stranded when airport networks slow down or cut out altogether. Offline media is a lifesaver during long flights or unexpected delays. By combining a VPN with offline prep, you keep your data private and your travel day running smoothly, no matter what the airport Wi-Fi is doing. Number 12 focuses on packing smart liquids, a move that saves time and stress at every security checkpoint. The 100 milliliter rule for liquids and carry-ons hasn't changed. Every bottle and tube must fit inside a resealable bag. Place this bag right on top of your carry-on so you can pull it out in seconds when you reach the bin. That one step alone can shave minutes off your wait, and it keeps the line moving. For anything likely to leak, like shampoo, lotion, or sunscreen, double bag it. Pressure changes during flight still cause bottles to burst, and a single leak can ruin clothes or electronics. By keeping the clear bag on top and double bagging anything risky, you breeze through security and avoid messy surprises later. This small routine makes your whole airport experience smoother, from the first checkpoint to final boarding. Number 11 introduces a simple routine that pays off at every checkpoint: the airport pouch. By keeping your passport, boarding pass or phone, a power bank, charging cable, wired earbuds, a pen, and a mini toiletry kit together in one compact pouch, you eliminate the need to dig through your bag at every stop. When security lines move fast, having everything in reach means you can drop your pouch in the bin and move on without fumbling. This grab-and-go kit also saves time at customs, boarding, and even during in-flight seat checks. Travelers who use a dedicated pouch report less stress and fewer forgotten items, especially on multi-leg journeys. Packing this way turns a jumble of pockets and zippers into a single organized system, so you are always ready whether you are hunting for a charger or showing your documents at the gate. In 2026, a well-packed pouch is the secret to moving smoothly through every stage of your trip. Number 10 introduces a travel essential that is easy to overlook until it is too late: a reliable power bank. Airport outlets in 2026 are still a gamble, with many broken, crowded, or charging at a crawl. Instead of hunting for an open plug, keep a power bank that holds at least 20,000 milliamp hours in your carry-on. This is well within the TSA 100 watt-hour limit for lithium batteries, which allows up to about 27,000 milliamp hours on board. Look for models with multiple ports and fast charging, so you can power up your phone, tablet, and even a laptop at once. Charge your bank fully the night before your trip, not at the gate. With devices now handling boarding passes, digital wallets, and travel alerts, keeping them alive is not just convenient, it is critical. This small backup turns tech stress into confidence, no matter how long the journey or how chaotic the terminal. Number 9 introduces a security shortcut that is reshaping airport lines in 2026: biometric security lanes. Major hubs now let travelers choose. You can opt into facial or iris scans for a contactless automated screening, or stick with traditional staffed lanes for privacy. Enrolling in biometrics can cut wait times by about 30%. Some travelers clear security in 10 minutes or less, even during peak hours. This choice puts control back in your hands. It gives speed and convenience to people who want it, and privacy to people who need it. Picking the right lane sets the tone for a smoother trip and makes it easier to relax in lounges or enjoy a calm layover once you are through. Eighth place goes to lounge access through apps and credit cards, a comfort upgrade that is no longer just for business travelers. In 2026, apps like Priority Pass and Lounge Buddy let you book a quiet space for a layover, with day passes ranging from $35 to $65. Premium credit cards often include lounge entry as a perk, unlocking Wi-Fi, power outlets, and real meals, especially valuable during unexpected delays. Lounge usage has jumped nearly 40% in the past year, making these spaces busier, but still a major step up from crowded gates. Booking through an app is quick, but it pays to check availability in advance, since some hubs now cap day passes to manage crowds. For travelers facing a long wait, the per-hour value is hard to beat. A calm space, reliable internet, and a chance to recharge, all without needing a first-class ticket. Number 7 turns long layovers into planned pit stops instead of dreaded waits. Major airports in 2026 have expanded their amenities, making it possible to book sleep pods, micro-hotels, or showers directly through airport apps. Instead of wandering the terminal or fighting for a quiet corner, a bit of research before your trip can reveal calm spaces to rest or work. Packing comfortable clothes, a light sweater, and a small self-care kit, think face wipes, a toothbrush, and a snack, turns a layover into a personal reset. Many hubs now allow advance booking for nap pods or mini suites by the hour, with rates visible in the airport app. This approach shifts your mindset. Layovers become a chance to recharge, catch up on emails, or just unwind rather than a test of patience. Building this habit means every segment of your journey feels intentional, even when delays stretch the day. Number 6 focuses on baggage tracking, a methodical approach that keeps travel disruptions from spiraling. Each year, about 7 bags out of every 1,000 go missing or get delayed, and that creates instant stress for travelers. But in 2026, combining airline app tracking, a quick bag photo, and a Bluetooth tracker where allowed cuts the chaos in half. Start by snapping a picture of your checked bag and its claim tag before it disappears behind the counter. That photo speeds up lost bag reports and helps agents identify your bag faster. Next, enable real-time tracking in your airline's app, which now updates like a package delivery dashboard. For extra peace of mind, tuck a Bluetooth tracker inside your bag and always check the airline rules first. This 3-step routine can reduce the time to resolve lost bag claims by up to 50%, turning a major headache into a manageable delay and keeping your trip on track. Number 5 turns a travel nightmare into a manageable hiccup with the call while walking rebooking strategy. If a flight gets canceled or heavily delayed, most people instinctively join the long line at the service desk. That line can stretch for an hour or more during major disruptions. In 2026, calling your airline's hotline or using the app rebooking feature while you walk away from the gate cuts your wait time by nearly 80%. Airlines now route app and phone requests to dedicated support teams, often resolving rebookings in under 15 minutes. If you reach an agent, have your frequent flyer number and payment details ready. These are already stored if you set up your app before travel. Ask directly if you can be rebooked on a partner airline when your original carrier is out of options. The simple phrase, "Can you check partner flights for me?" can open up alternative routes that gate agents might not mention to the crowd. Learn the don't stand in line rule. Call or use the app while you move. By skipping the queue and acting fast, you protect your seat, your schedule, and your sanity. A major disruption becomes just a brief detour. Number 4 puts early check-in at the heart of seat security. In 2026, airlines have stepped up last-minute seat reshuffles to squeeze out extra revenue, often moving passengers or splitting groups just hours before boarding. Checking in as soon as the window opens, usually 24 to 48 hours ahead, locks in your seat assignment and gives you the first alert if anything changes. That early move is not just about peace of mind. It is a practical shield against being involuntarily bumped from an oversold flight, since airlines typically protect seats for those who check in first. With the latest airline apps, you can spot a sudden seat swap on the seat map and fix it instantly, instead of arriving at the airport to a surprise. This simple, free action can save you from a scramble at the gate and keeps you in control, especially as more carriers automate reassignments right up to departure. Coming to the top 3, pre-trip app setup has become the foundation of smooth travel in 2026. Before you even think about packing, download your airline's app, the main airport app, and a reliable flight tracker, all while connected to home Wi-Fi. Enable push notifications for real-time alerts on gate changes, delays, and boarding groups, so you are never caught off guard by a last-minute switch. Add your frequent flyer number and payment card to the airline app right away. This simple move means you can rebook, buy add-ons, or even request compensation instantly if plans shift. With 85% of travelers now relying on these apps on travel day, skipping this step leaves you at a real disadvantage. Setting up notifications and payment details in advance transforms your phone into a command center, giving you instant access to updates, faster rebooking, and live baggage tracking. In today's airports, this methodical prep is not just a tech upgrade, it is a travel essential. Number 2 recognizes that not every traveler wants to rely on apps or smartphones. For those who prefer a low-tech approach, airport kiosks remain a reliable option for check-in, printing boarding passes, and even making last-minute seat changes. Many major airports in 2026 have upgraded these kiosks for faster operation and clearer instructions, supporting travelers who want to avoid digital hassles. If a flight is delayed or canceled, calling the airline's hotline directly from your phone using a simple script with your flight number and frequent flyer details written on paper often connects you to help faster than waiting in line. Keep a printed copy of your boarding pass and a note with your frequent flyer number so you are never stuck if a device fails or a battery dies. This low-tech backup is not just about preference, it is about making travel accessible and stress-free for everyone, no matter their comfort with technology. And finally, in first place, digital wallets and eSIMs bring airport travel into a single tap. In 2026, over 90% of major airlines allow boarding passes to be added directly to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. This means you can board, clear security, and even re-enter the gate area without ever opening an airline app or searching for a Wi-Fi connection. For international trips, pre-activating an eSIM up to 48 hours before landing lets you skip the SIM card kiosks and connect instantly as soon as your plane touches down. Setting up both before you leave home turns your phone into a universal travel pass for boarding, identification, and cellular service all in one. No more digging for paper, no more lost connections at the worst moment. The only caveat is to double-check that your destination supports eSIMs and digital wallets, as a few countries still require physical SIMs or printed passes. By combining these tools, you move through airports and borders with less friction than ever, ending the travel day connected, organized, and ready for anything. Across all 15 travel tricks, one pattern stands out. The real game changer is having a simple personal system that blends smart tech and reliable habits. In 2026, it is not just about gadgets or perks. It is about making every airport feel predictable, not overwhelming. That is what turns travel from a stress test into a smooth routine. Thanks for watching. Let us know your best airport hack in the comments.